Hey everyone, it's around 10 a.m. on Tuesday, May 20th. I'm doing a severe weather update regarding the potential for a few strong to severe storms today and tonight. There's been a lot of panic about this. I've had a lot of questions. I've seen a lot of questionable posts about it. A lot of concern after all the severe weather we've seen out of the central U.S. and eastern parts of the U.S. But again, this is not a repeat of that. We will have just a few strong to severe storms. Bottom line is, Storm Prediction Center is placed most of the state under level 1 risk for severe weather today and tonight, and in the western part of the state under level 2, and the extreme far southwestern part of the state is technically under level 3, but we're just going to go for level 2 because that is basically covers everything other than like one county, which is like part of Cherokee County, is under a level 3. But that doesn't, though the storms don't follow exactly the line, I think the level 2 is the best look for this. But I won't discount that there's a brief sliver right here across north of Murphy that's under level 3. Bottom line is a level 2 out of 5 risk for a couple strong severe storms is basically from Statesville west, and the rest of the state is under level 1. This is not going to be a widespread severe weather event. A few strong to potentially severe storms are likely today and tonight, with some damaging winds and large hail being the main threat. The tornado threat is very low, but it's not zero. So a storm could go rogue and become tornado warned tonight, or this evening and tonight. Let me show you what the radar is going to look like. There's been a lot of panic for some reason with this event, and I'm not overly sold on this going to be, you can see this is the slivers of 2 counties that are under it. I'm not overly sold that it's going to be a big, large event at this point. There's all these people freaking out, these alert days and stuff, and I just really don't think we're going to have that. I don't do those anyway. But here's the day. See, most of the day it's quiet. A rogue storm develops this afternoon and evening. 9 o'clock, we have a front around, which will spark a few storms. 9, 10, 11, a couple strong to severe storms. And as you can see, around midnight or 2, there's a couple more. And then there's just very few storms in the morning, which I don't even think will be severe. There could be a strong to severe storm east of eastern North Carolina, but again, just some heavy rain, gusty winds will be the main threat, and a storm or 2 could be strong to severe. And I want to say the real best severe threat is going to be between 7 and about 1 a.m. if we're being honest, and then a brief storm early in the morning could be strong to severe. I'll show you another. We have a lot of models we use. I'll show you another model and see if this looks any different. But again, it just shows a few widely scattered storms. We're not going to have like a massive outbreak of severe weather, but just a few widely scattered storms, it looks likely. See all the models, just a few widely scattered storms. Bottom line is, no reason to panic on this. Just be aware this afternoon and overnight tonight, at least till early until about midnight or 2, for a couple strong to severe storms and maybe another storm or 2 in the morning. Don't expect it to be widespread. No reason to panic. Just have a way to get a warning in case you need it, especially overnight, and you'll be just fine. I'll keep you updated later today and see what the trends change. But otherwise, everyone have a good rest of your Tuesday.